Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to use images with ChatGPT. To start the process, open your ChatGPT in your web browser. Now click on Upgrade to Plus. Here you can choose between a free plan or ChatGPT Plus for $20 per month. Now open the new tab and search here Unsplash. Here click on Free. Now select any image from here. Then copy the link of this picture. Go back to the ChatGPT. Type here, "Can you give me a description about this image?" Then paste that link. Click on Send. Now read the details that ChatGPT provides you. To know the description of the image, you need to upgrade this. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.